Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw from CoinMarketCap. And if you want to withdraw, the first thing that you need to do is go right here to your portfolio. So first of all, you need to link a portfolio right here to your CoinMarketCap. But if you want to do this, first of all, click here on create portfolio, and then you can select right here, connect Binance account, connect OKX account, add transactions manually, or we can decide right here to connect our wallet. Then you can fill in right here a wallet address from, let's say Phantom wallet that we are using, and then fill in a portfolio name, and then you do create connection. There will you see right here that we linked our wallet address, but right now I don't have any money standing on this account. So what you need to know that if you go right here to your portfolios and you linked an account with money, then right here at portfolio, you have the option to click on withdraw. So this is the place where you need to be. But right now I don't have money standing on one of my Phantom wallet's addresses. So this is why I can show you exactly where you can click on withdraw. But this is the place where you withdraw your money. So this is the only thing that I can tell you. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Maybe today not exact the video, but hopefully you know now where you need to withdraw on CoinMarketCap. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.